Hello, Dave Staublin here. Let's do some good math. Specifically, let's learn how to use Desmos to find the 5-number summary. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to enter a list of numbers. So within your Desmos calculator and this first entry bar, we're going to give a name to our list. I'm going to call it L. Do an equal sign and then a square bracket, and you will find the square bracket next to the letter P on your keyboard. At this point, we enter the numbers in our list separated by commas. I will read them to you. 39, comma, 39, comma, 40, comma, 40, comma, 41, comma, 43, comma, 46, comma, 48, comma, 50, comma, 53. And at this point, we close our list with a bracket. So now that we have our list, we can enter a command to calculate the 5-number summary. And this is how we do it. Go to the lower left and show the keypad. Go to the upper right of the keypad and click Functions. Then at the top of this Functions menu, click on Stats to bring up all the statistics commands, and then we are going to press the Stats button, and that shows up in our bar here, our command bar. And now we are going to put the capital letter L for the list above. And you will see now that we have the 5-number summary: the min, the Q1, the median, the Q3, and the max.